Hey guys, it's Carrie at Turner's Warehouse. Today I'm going to turn a lavash pen with a watch part blank that I made here at Turner's Warehouse, and I'm going to be using my favorite EasyWood tools with the negative rate cutter on it. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Here's the final pen. I think it turned out pretty awesome, but let me know what you think.